Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine and I'm a beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogger. So today I'm back with a new video and I'm really excited about this. So I am going to talk about a new Sephora, I guess kind of like value set that I did get. And so if you are interested in finding out more about this set, then please stay tuned. So the set I'm going to talk about today, I know I did a video a while back about the Sephora Haul Star favorites. So they did come out with another one of these little kits. And so the one I'm going to talk about today is the Sephora Favorites Hello Greatest Beauty Hits. So this was originally $13, but they currently are on sale for $10. And what I really wanted to talk about is show you what's inside, the value, and if this is worth your kind of your dollar. And also too, like comparing it to the other one as well. And I just want to start, I did get a sample and I'm really excited. I got the JLo Beauty That Blockbuster Wonder Cream. So this is the night cream and I'm excited to try this because JLo Beauty did catch my eye, but I was like, okay, is this a gimmick? And I just find this packaging to be gorgeous. It's like this rose goldy kind of packaging. So I'm really intrigued to try that. And that's why I really like getting samples, because I don't want to spend money and then like not like something. So this is the Sephora Favorites Hello Beauty one. I wonder if I need scissors for this. Let's jump right in. If I could open this bag. Okay, so the first thing that I didn't mention is you do get a 15% off coupon for the full sizes. So that's always good, especially for some of the more expensive products. So the very first thing in here is from Bare Minerals, and it is their Gen Nude Powder Blush. And this is in Call My Blush. So I actually did like a breakdown of everything, and when we look at this, I believe this is normally $32 Canadian. When we break it down, it's about a $17 value. So if I could open this, that would be great. So that's actually not too bad when you think about it. I find I like a deluxe sample blush because I don't go through that much blush. But this is just like a really nice kind of, it reminds me of like a ballerina kind of pink. So I think I'll like that. That might be something I'll use because I am on a blush kick for like the first time ever in my life. So that was the first thing. And I haven't tried anything from Bare Minerals in like forever. The next thing is the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. So this mascara is also $32 Canadian. And so this is a $14 value, which isn't bad when you think about it. It's actually a decent size mascara too. So I haven't tried that, so I'm interested to try that. I actually haven't tried a lot from IT Cosmetics when I think about it. The next thing is from First Aid Beauty, and it is the Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. So it soothes and distresses. I've never tried this. I haven't tried a lot from First Aid Beauty. It's kind of funny, like these are like the greatest beauty hits, and of course I haven't tried really much from these brands. But this is, sorry, my cat is just like, I'm scared he's gonna knock over my ring light. So you actually get 9.6 grams, so that is equivalent to about $4.31 value. I think this mask is like $42 if I remember correctly. It might be good for like traveling or something, but yeah, I've never really heard of that mask or any hype around it before. The next thing in here is from, I thought this would be a lot bigger, but it's the like tiniest thing. It's a Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask from Tarte. I haven't tried this. This is about $18 for a full size. So this little sample is about $5 worth. Would you pay $5 for this? I know I wouldn't. This is in strawberry jelly. My friend told me like the consistency was kind of weird when she tried it, so because she got this too, but it doesn't really smell like strawberries on first scent. But I'm kind of intrigued to try it because that product did catch my eye, and I haven't tried much from Tarte lately now that I think about it. The next product is from the Sephora collection, and it is the Vitamin C and E Super Serum. It says it's made from 90% natural ingredients. This little sample's worth $7.20. So yeah, it's about it's about $18, I believe. So you do get a fair amount of product when I do think about it. And the final product, there wasn't a lot in here, I feel like, is from Sol de Janeiro, and it is their Sol Cheirosa 62 perfume samples. So if you've checked out my channel, you're gonna know that I love Sol de Janeiro products. They're like right behind me up there. And of course, I couldn't even hide it. Like, I have a thing of Hershey's Kisses. Like, this is my life. I've just been eating Hershey's Kisses. But anyway, I am really excited to try this because I have the body spray, the sprays, the new spray. So I'm excited to see how good this smells. And, you know, it is an expensive kind of perfume, so that 15% off coupon would definitely help out. So when we look at the value of this bag, it comes up to $50.12, which is not too bad at all. Like, that's definitely a value, especially where I only paid $10 for these products. Normally it is $13, but I think that is still a deal. I am going to admit, though, the first bag, the Haul Star Heroes bag, and I'll post it in the cards, that is the first haul I did with these little kind of like grab bags, and I definitely think that had better value than this one. I really like the products more in that other one. I think they were more high-end. This one is almost like a lot of kind of, I don't know, like none of these products are really eye-catching. I found the other bag a lot better. It had, you know, like Ren, Colody, you know, I'm really using those products, whereas these, you know, I might hold off a little bit, but for $10, I guess both of them are a really good deal. Definitely stock up on the other one. Oh, the other one had whey too, like hair oil. Like, it definitely was a lot better than this one. I've been checking to see if they're going to come out with another one because I do like the idea of this because I don't mind spending $13 for samples. It's a better deal than Ipsy or those like Top Box, I'm thinking, but that was kind of the little haul I wanted to go through with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely, I'll post a link to these products down below if you want to buy them. They're a great value. But I hope you like this. Let me know if you've tried any of those products. Don't forget to subscribe. I really would appreciate it. And I do have lots of fun content coming out soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for your love and support.